Maybe he's right. Maybe there is something the matter with me. I just don't see how a world that makes me such wonderful things could be bad. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection is neat? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos of plenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along on the, down a, what do you call it? What's that word again? Street, oh yeah, street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wondering,
have fun.
Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? But on land, they understand that they don't reprimand their daughters, but proper women, sick of swimming, ready to stand, and ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and what is it? What's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore the shore of love out of the sea? Wish I could be part of